Okay, we're going to do a lesson on integer exponents. This is section 7.1. Okay, integer exponents. Let's take a look at exponents. Okay, so if you had 5 to the 5th power, of course that means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is 3,125. 5 to the 4th power is 625. 5 to the 3rd power, 125. 5 squared, 25. 5 to the 1st power, 5. Now, what we're going to do is figure out what 5 to the 0 power means, and then what these negative exponents mean. So, what's happening each time as we're going down? We're actually dividing the previous number by 5 to get to the next number. Divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. So if we divide 5 by 5, that means 5 to the 0 power is 1. 5 to the 0 power is 1. In fact, any number to the 0 power is always 1. 7 to the 0 power is 1. 27 to the 0 power is 1. 3x to the 0 power is 1. Okay? So any number to the 0 power is 1. Now, if we continue to divide by 5, this would give us 1/5. Dividing by 5 again, 1/25. So this gives us a hint as to what happens when we have negative exponents. It actually means you take the exponent, change it to positive, and put it underneath the fraction bar. So we had, let's not use 5, 7 to the negative 1st power, that would be 1/7. If you had 7 to the negative 2nd power, 1/7 to the 2nd power, which is 1/49. If you had 12 to the negative 4th, that would be 1/12 to the 4th power. You could figure this out if you wanted to, but we can leave it just like this. This is perfectly fine. Okay, so just to quickly review, anything to the 0 power is 1. Anything to a negative exponent, it's like shifting the exponent and the number down to the bottom of the fraction and putting a 1 on top. So let's do some examples. -3 to the negative 4th power. Well, this would be 1/-3 to the 4th power. Okay, which you could leave like that, or it's the same as 1/-3 times -3, -3, So, negative, 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 negative. So first two negatives cancel, last two negatives cancel. So this would be the same as 1/3 to the 4th power. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. So this would be the value. This would be an acceptable number if you were asked to write it in exponent form. right, now, let's say you're asked to evaluate x to the negative first, or x equals to 2. You would say that's 2 to the negative first, which is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 to the first power, or 1 over 2. If you were to ask to evaluate a to the 0 b, b to the negative third, when a is negative 8, b is, let's see, negative 2. First thing I'm going to do is plug these numbers in for a and b. So this would be negative 8 to the 0. The reason I'm putting the negative 8 in parentheses is we want it to be negative 8 to the 0, not negative 8 to the 0. And negative 2 to the negative third power. Okay, so anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay. Now, the 1, multiply anything by 1, the 1 goes away. So this is negative 2 to the negative third power, which is 1 over negative 2 to the third power. So negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So this is 1 over negative 8, which is the same as negative 1/8. Okay. Let's do one more. What do we do if we don't know the value of the exponent like we did here, but we are asked to simplify? Okay, so this means 3 times 1 over y squared, which is the same as 3 over y squared, because 3 times 1 is 3. So this is what you'd be looking for in a situation like that. Let's do just one more of those. Negative 4 over k to the negative fourth. Okay, now in this one, we have a negative exponent, but it's already under the fraction bar. If it's already under the fraction bar, to get rid of the negative, you actually do the opposite. You move it to the top. So this would be negative 4 times k to the fourth. You could put over 1 if you wanted to, but you don't need the 1 underneath, so it's just negative 4 times k to the fourth power. Let me show you just one more of those just to make sure we have that down. Let's say we had g to the fourth divided by h to the negative sixth. G to the fourth is going to stay right there because we've got the negative exponent already under the fraction bar. It's going to shift to the top. This is going to be g to the fourth, h to the sixth. So that is how you do integer exponents, section 7.1. Good luck.